I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have VS Code open. Now decide whether you're editing Markdown or HTML because syntax differs. Place your cursor at the insertion point and type a clear anchor label. Once done, open the editor preview or live server so you can test instantly. This saves time and avoids broken links later. Make sure the file is saved so relative paths resolve correctly, and note whether the target is internal or external before writing the link syntax. You'll now type the link using the appropriate syntax. In Markdown, write label, path or URL, and in HTML, use an anchor tag with href. For local files, prefer relative paths like /docs/file. MD so moves keep links working. Use VS Code's path autocomplete and file suggestions to pick the correct file name. This prevents simple typos. If you want the link to open in a new tab, add target equals blank in HTML. Save the file and watch the preview update to confirm the link appears correctly. Finally, test your link by Ctrl+click in Markdown or clicking it in the preview or live server. You should land at the target. If it fails, check common problems, case-sensitive file names, wrong extension, or incorrect, /depth in the path. Once fixed, save and optionally commit your change. Troubleshooting tip: if links still break, open the integrated terminal and run a quick ls or dir on the target path to confirm the file exists and the path you typed matches exactly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.